going on, guys? So, it's been like 3 or 4 months since I got Slurpe running. I did get it running about a few weeks ago, a couple weeks ago. But I ran into a problem. Not one, not two, but 3 problems. So let me go ahead and show you what's going on. Alright, so first things first is, you notice anything off? If you say loose motor mount, you are correct. The bolt on this motor mount actually backed off. I don't know if it's the fact that I didn't tighten it too tight, because I'm pretty sure I did. I torqued it to spec, or the bolt was just fucked up. But that backed out. There is a small tapping coming from over this side right here. I end up getting the lifters replaced, but the tapping is still there. And you see that? You see the pickup line right there? I'm assuming that's the pickup line for the turbo. It's leaking. Let me go ahead and just start this up and I'll show you what's going on. Show you a little bit extra stuff that's going on with it. I'm most likely going to pull the engine out, even though the engine's running fine. It is healthy. I'm gonna pull the engine out. I'm gonna clean the engine bay up, maybe even paint the engine bay, and rebuild the whole engine. Even though it really doesn't need it, I'm gonna rebuild the whole engine. I got an extra cylinder head. I'm gonna go ahead and port that. Put the upgraded stuff on there. The paint job's still not the best. I still have not decided if I wanted to paint this bad boy or if I want to wrap it. I think it'll be easier if I wrap it. At the same time, it'll look better if I paint it. I don't know. If I'm gonna paint it, it's gonna be the same color it is now. If I wrap it, I'll wrap it in a color like this, but a little bit more of a shiny metallic glossy like. I don't know, man. It's one thing after another with this car. And no, I've already had a few people on my TikToks and comment section asking, is this car for sale? I ain't selling this. I'm gonna see to the very bitter end that I fix the majority of everything wrong with it and enjoy it while I'm still on its plan. Unless if I have a dire need and I have to sell it, which I know I do. But yeah, this is just gonna go around the block. Like I said, I started this car up. It snowed last night, so I'm just trying to warm it up so the battery doesn't die. I have to replace the battery again. Yeah, and that popping is the lifter locking in the where the valve goes. That's why it's popping the way it is. Also, too, I forgot to tell you. You know, when I first got this, the cooling fan didn't work, and I had to replace the cooling fan, so I bought a real expensive one, Mishimoto one. That shit went bad on me, and that shit was like $220, man. I'm not sure if it's even worth trying to get a replacement from them, but that kind of pissed me off that it just decided to go bad on me. It's smoking really bad. I don't know what these guys are doing. She definitely sounds good. It does have a little hiccup when you try to take off. I don't know why. That's why I have the clutch in before I take off and give it a little bit